Today I'm continuing with my Dehydrating 101 series, and I'm going to share with you how to make crispy citrus chips. Hi sweet friends, my name is Mary and welcome to Mary's Nest. This channel is all about living the simple life by cooking from scratch, making home remedies, and creating a cozy home using thrift store finds. So if you're like me and you like living the simple life, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the little notification bell below. That'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Now these citrus chips couldn't be easier to make, and you have two options. If you have an electric dehydrator, you're all set. And if you don't and you just want to do it in your oven, you're all set too. If you decide to do this in an electric dehydrator, all you need is a dehydrator tray. You won't need the extra silicone sheets. Just the plain dehydrator tray is perfect. And if you decide to do this in an oven, all you're going to want to have is a baking sheet and then some kind of rack that, that lifts up from the baking sheet, just to allow for good air circulation. Now all you'll want to do is just get some nice oranges that you've washed and are dried, and we're going to want to slice them 1/8 inch thick. So it's pretty thin. I'm not always perfect at it. Sometimes they lean to the 1/4 inch, but just do the best job that you can to get them as thin as possible. We'll get that part off. And then all we're going to do is just slice them as thin as we can. And we're just going to keep going. And then once we get ones that have a nice bit of fruit in it, we'll just put it right onto our dehydrator tray. And if you're using a baking sheet, you'll just hold that, don't want it to fall. You'll just put that right on your baking sheet. And if you want, you can align your baking sheet with aluminum foil just to make cleanup easy. Now, if you decide to do this in an electric dehydrator, you're going to want to set the temperature at 125 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to take about 8 to 10 hours. Check on it at 8 hours, but it's probably going to take, between 8 to 10 hours. And what you'll be looking for is these to be dry and hard. And if you decide to do them in an oven, you're going to want to set your oven at 175 degrees, and it's going to take 4 to 6 hours. And every 2 hours, you're going to want to take the trays out of the oven and rotate them, and then put them back into your oven. And as the same as I said with the electric dehydrator, you're going to watch for them to be completely dried out and hard. And here is a batch that I took out of my oven after 6 hours. The ones in my dehydrator are still going. And the nice thing about citrus chips is that not only do you get the benefit from the fruit, you also get benefit from eating the rind, which is rich in essential oils. Now once these are dry, they're just delightful and they're very crispy. See? And they're perfect for serving maybe with a cottage cheese based type dip that maybe you sprinkle some cinnamon on, or maybe sour cream that you add a little powdered sugar and a little lemon juice. The dips that sort of lean to the little slightly sweeter side. These are perfect for that. If you'd like to learn more about dehydrating, be sure to subscribe to my channel and then click on this video over here where I show you how to dehydrate sourdough starter and more. And I look forward to seeing you over there in my Texas Hill Country kitchen. Love and God bless. So crunchy.